Imagine a place where icy landscapes hide a future powered by clean energy, a frozen region in America that could become the beating heart of global hydrogen production. This remote area, known as the Great Land, is not just a cold wilderness. It's a treasure trove of a revolutionary resource that might redefine how we power the world. The discovery here isn't just a scientific breakthrough. It's a potential game changer for renewable energy, and this is the part most people miss. The promise of a hydrogen revolution that could reshape our planet's energy future. Hydrogen is more than just a gas. It's a lifeline for industries struggling to cut emissions. For decades, we've relied on carbon-heavy sectors like manufacturing, construction, and transportation, industries that are major contributors to climate change. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, these sectors alone account for a significant portion of greenhouse gas emissions. If we don't find a way to decarbonize them, the dream of net zero emissions will remain out of reach. Here's where hydrogen steps in, not as a replacement for fossil fuels, but as a bridge to a cleaner, more sustainable world. Hydrogen's role in renewable energy is multifaceted. It acts as a storage solution for intermittent energy sources like solar and wind, which can't always provide power when needed. Think of it as a giant battery that can hold energy for days, weeks, or even years. It also helps stabilize grids during peak demand or when renewable output dips. This makes hydrogen essential for balancing the grid and ensuring energy security. Now, let's talk about the location that could make this vision a reality: Alaska. Known as the Great Land, this frozen expanse is home to a colossal hydrogen reserve that could become the epicenter of global clean energy. But here's where it gets controversial. The type of hydrogen matters. While some forms of hydrogen are tied to carbon emissions, others are clean. The key lies in geological hydrogen, also called white hydrogen, a naturally occurring form that requires no energy-intensive processes to produce. This is the holy grail of clean energy, and it's being explored by companies like Granite Creek Copper Limited in partnership with Cornell University. The science behind white hydrogen is fascinating. It's formed through natural processes involving iron-rich rock formations, a method that's both efficient and low carbon. Researchers are working to unlock the full potential of these underground reserves, which could not only supply clean hydrogen, but also recover critical metals and store carbon safely. If successful, this could accelerate the transition away from fossil fuels, making decarbonization faster and more affordable. But wait, is this the final answer? Let's ask a tough question. Can we trust that all hydrogen is created equal? While green hydrogen produced via renewable energy is the gold standard, white hydrogen offers a lower-cost alternative that still avoids emissions. However, some argue that even clean hydrogen has hidden costs, like the environmental impact of mining or transporting it. What do you think? Is the future of energy truly sustainable, or are we just swapping one problem for another? The stakes are high. If Alaska's frozen depths hold the key to unlocking a new era of clean energy, the world could be on the brink of a transformation. But with any breakthrough comes questions. Will this hydrogen revolution be enough to save the planet? Or will we need more than just one solution to achieve a greener future? Let's keep the conversation going. What do you believe is the true path forward?